guys, Nimenom and stuff here, and I've been away for a little while because of like Christmas vacation and everything, but while I was gone, my dad bought a cool desk, a cool shelf with cool toys that I've already reviewed on here, and yeah, so it's gonna look a lot better in here. We have some more color and stuff, but the video that I'm gonna be showing is one of my first review videos that I ever did, which I posted on a different channel, and it's gonna be me reviewing a Lego Classic product, and it's just gonna be a bunch of pieces and a gray base plate. So I hope you enjoy. Now roll the clip. This is Lego unboxing number 1, and I'm unboxing Lego Classic gray base plate and Lego Classic pieces. Let's open this first. Using the scissors would probably help. Somehow. Just normal base plate that goes with this. This is hard to open. Gray base plate. Basically a base plate. You put bricks onto the base plate. Now I'll be opening this. This has 303 pieces. This is model 10693. It's a buy. Let's open this. If I can even. This is impossible to open. We need something else. I'll need something else. I'm back. I have gotten another cutting utensil that worked better than the scissors I had. Hopefully. Actually, I don't need to do that. There is 1, 2, 3 bags and an idea book. There's there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ideas in this book. And it shows you how to make these too. But, let's open this first. Use my scissors, so it'll be easier to cut them open. This looks like a fall pack. This looks like a black and white, like an old pack. Like this looks like a fall, an old, and a Seahawks pack. Basically what it is. There's a bunch of different colors. There's red, orange, clear orange, clear yellow, a bunch of other colors. And it does come with one brick I don't know what it's called, brick taker offer thingy, and put that off to the side. I'll show you they do connect because they're Legos. Yay! And this is to do this. I really have no idea what to do with these. I'll put them back in my bag. Back in my bag. Well, here, I'll be right back. I'm back again, and what I've decided to do is move the base plate off to the side and make 3 piles of the Lego bricks. So I'm gonna do that. It's hard to open bags, apparently. There seems to be less, well, maybe there's about even of every piece in each bag. There's the black one. There's the old pack. Last, there is the Seahawks pack. Wait, did I just on this? Oh my gosh. It would have been so much easier. That's not a Lego piece. So here's the green and blue. Here's everything. I'll show you everything. The base plate, all 3 colors, and a brick breaker. It doesn't actually break bricks, it breaks them apart. But that'll be the end of this Lego unboxing video, and bye. Okay, so you just watched that video from about a year ago. 2015 I posted it, and it wasn't the greatest of quality. But the reason why is because we didn't have all the equipment we do now. In that video we had like this really bad camera. It wasn't that great. We had we filmed it in our kitchen. We just didn't really prepare anything. So it was just really bad quality and stuff, but it's still a cool video. On my YouTube channel, that video had 146 views, which that's like a lot compared to my standards. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, so see you next time. Bye.